Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In a move that's left electric vehicle enthusiasts and industry insiders alike scratching their heads, General Motors has decided to temporarily halt production of its BrightDrop electric vans at the Ontario plant in Canada. That's right, folks, the same factory where these fantastic vehicles were built is now idle due to declining sales. Now, you might be wondering what caused this sudden change of heart from GM, but it turns out that sales concerns are to blame. According to General Motors, production will resume on October 1st, 2026, with a slightly reduced workforce. Roughly 500 fewer jobs will exist as a result of this decision. But wait, there's more. The union representing workers at the plant isn't buying what GM is selling, and they're not alone. Electrex, Joe Boraz has called out BrightDrop vans as an incredible value for business owners looking to make the switch to electric. Meanwhile, Unifor Local 88 Cami plant chairperson Mike Van Boekel is urging GM to reconsider its decision. Now, it's worth noting that, while tariffs might not be the reason behind the decline in sales, there's one factor that could help BrightDrop turn things around: Canadian economic populism. Unifor National President Lana Payne is making a strong case for why BrightDrop vans are the smart choice for Canadian businesses and government agencies. So what does this mean for the future of electric delivery vehicles? Will GM rethink its decision, or will it stick to its guns? One thing's for sure, we're keeping a close eye on this story as it develops.